This is the Lake McDonald Lodge. It's closed for the season. Should be open, I think, next week. This lodge was established in 1914. Check out how the columns are made here outside. This may just be more decorative than structural. Looks nice. Now this is structural. Lodge cabins here. I'm Mike.
I'm Leanne.
I'm Dawn.
And I'm Glenn.
And we are
The
Four Nomads.
On our way to a trip of a lifetime. We're headed to Alaska. Follow
Alaska
us.
or bust.
Watch us. We'll try to put up some videos as we go. They do have it protected for fire. And I think you can take boat rides here. We're here at the Lake McDonald Lodge, and there's a boat. I guess you can ride around in the season. So what do you think?
Pretty beautiful.
There's some rushing water over here.
I know, that's pretty back there.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's pretty. Rushing water coming in. There's cabins on the other side. Look at that tree. Huge. What you got here? Look at that.
So we'll definitely have to come back here May 12th in the lodge, and it's just absolutely gorgeous inside.
And how long are we here for? We're going to be staying in the Mountain View RV Park until next week. What day was that we leaving? Over
May
there?
12th. We come back here May 12th, and then we leave here May 19th.
There you have it. This is a picture of the lodge from the water side.
I'd be for you to walk all the way up
Yeah, let's do it. Just people going to be coming down, but it is what it is, right?
there. No, it's less crowded than it would be in another couple of weeks.
Well, true. Did you notice how big that one tree was over here
Oh, yeah.
by the water?
Yeah.
That thing is huge. So West Glacier is 11 miles and St. Mary's is 49. But we can't get to St. Mary's from here. We'll have to go outside of the West Glacier and then come back in through the east side. It looks like we're going to be walking the Sperry Trail. This is the Sperry Trail, Sperry Trailhead. And look, this is an update on the fire. One of many waterfalls here on the Sperry Trailhead. Notice all the trees falling down, water rushing through. So we have to get the bear spray out.
Yes, we're ready. We're
Lands-
armed and dangerous.
Leanne
We are.
is armed and ready.
All right, look at that.
And is it locked?
It's locked right now. Yes, it's
Locked
locked.
and
But she
loaded.
knows how to
Pointing
unlock
right
it
at you. I
quickly.
know how to
Yeah.
unlock it though.
Yeah.
Pull the cap and push. Although you're
Okay.
supposed to be within, what, 30 feet of the bear? I don't think
We're
I'm
not going to be that close.
So we're entering grizzly country. There's a sign that says bear spray has been proven to be effective, for fending off threatening and attacking bears. And there's something about mountain goats here and your safety.
We've got two.
Looking back on the trail where we've hiked up so far.
To say, I'm hating every step.
But it's beautiful. It is so pretty, though.
It is pretty. You see the birds and stuff. That could have been like a cicada.
I want to see an eagle.
Well, did you see? We also saw one just flying.
Too far back, or are you good?
Can you get how high up we are?
Well,
Yeah, this is
step on the
this
scat.
is how so many people die and suicide falling.
How's that?
Yeah.
Why are people dying?
Taking selfies,
Selfies
and
on
they keep
cliffs.
backing up and backing up, and
Backing
they
off
fall off
cliffs.
the cliff.
That's why we were keeping you from backing up too far.
That's brilliant, Watson. Appreciate that. So we just uncovered some. We didn't uncover it. We just found some bear scat. We think it's bear scat. We got a picture of it. We'll put it in the video. So
We're
you can see
talking a
what
lot now to scare them away.
Yep. That's the plan.
I'm thinking we'll really scare them away.
So we reached this place. We're at the Gun Sight Pass Trail and the Snyder Lake Trail, and we're not even on the Sperry Lake trailhead. So we have decided to turn back. I was wanting to go more, and we met a guy and he was going down to a river, but there was a pretty steep climb to get down there. So we're turning around, headed back to the car. But it was a long hike. We walked about 1.9 miles and 4,200 feet in elevation. So that video I just made about turning around was in error. So the guy we met here, he's running a race, a Spartan race tomorrow, and he had a GPS watch on, and he said it was 50 feet down and about a 1/10 of a mile, and it was worth our while to go down there and see it. So that's where we made it down to the river crossing, and it was a good reason for us to come down here. This is beautiful. We got water. We got water. We can see water here, rushing water coming down the mountain. Look at it. Yeah. So look at the water.
Freaking bad. You're blowing the wind too. Come on, guys.
So, Leanne, get in front of me. We can solve this problem.
I don't know. We got something behind us here. You know, we're not gonna fall off.
Come on. Can't see us. There we go.
Okay, it's too close for me.
There we go. Here we go. So we're here at the water. And there's a trail. So we have the Sperry Chalet. Sperry Trailhead is 2 miles to the right. Back that way.
Huh.
You see that?
Yeah. But
And here
that's
comes
okay.
somebody walking. And that's the Snyder Ridge Fire Trail. Fish Lake is 1.5 miles.
No, a mile.
A mile.
1.5 kilometers.
Okay, that might have been the one that y'all saw, Fish Lake. So we have decided to go on to Fish Lake after a short water break. We're headed to Fish Lake, and it's a mile out. All right?
1 more mile.
One more
And
mile.
then 2, we've got 1 more to go, and then 3 to go back.
And then 3 to go back, but it should be downhill. This area is very nice. Hey Don, turn around. Get over there, Lane.
Oh, what are we doing?
Tell that story again.
Oh, okay.
What does this remind you of?
It reminds me of West Point when we were kids, and it was much easier back then. There was woods like this, and the cadets in the summer, they used to have to march through it, and we were singing. Caissons, he coming, whatever. And we would go there when we were kids and watch them hike through this and march through it. It's pretty fun.
And we used to hike through it, probably not 6 miles.
Well, yeah.
And we were 6 and 7
It probably
and
looked
8.
this big then, but it was because we were this. Yeah.
Yeah,
It's all
but it is
relative.
pretty, and it's opened up in here, so it's a nice view. All the moss on the ground.
Covering, on the ground. And look, did you get there? Did you get their version of Spanish moss?
That's the,
How about that?
yeah, what is that?
Some kind of moss.
Yeah. All right. Leanne seems to think that this is evidence of a bear scratching.
Could be.
So here's another scarred up place. And this could be elk or deer
Yeah.
scratching that as well. Looks like spider webs out there. It's really thick, mossy like. And we're coming up on the lake. It was about 300 yards. Made the massive wood cutting with nice chainsaws because look how straight those logs are cut.
Oh, look how big they are.
Yeah. That was a woodpecker. Maybe a pileated woodpecker. Fish Lake.
Oh, we made it. Bless you.
All right, Fish Lake.
We did it, y'all. What is this lake?
Fish Lake.
Fish Lake.
Wow.
Why don't y'all turn around and get your photos?
We made
Look at them. Warriors they are. So I'm going across this bridge right quick. Leanne, you stay there. So I'm over. All right, come on. March. There they are, coming across the creek. Did it. Managed it. Good deal. Okay, let's go. It does make you dizzy, yes. Yeah. That's a long way down, and we're going down this path. Put some strain on my knees, front of my knees. Hey, Leanne, let me get across first. Stay right there for a minute. All right, so we made it down. I'm going across the bridge again when I return back to the trailhead. You need to refill your water bottle? Oh, yeah. That's probably that woodpecker. Glenn, I'm going to go over there and get your picture, buddy. Look at that hole. Something's been eating on that tree. Could be. Glenn's going down to get some fresh water. Have a sip. Tell me how it is. How is it?
Ice cold and delicious.
All right, we're climbing back up.
This should be the last uphill. After this, it'll be all downhill.
Theoretically, it should be. We climbed to 4,200 feet, and we got to go down to about 3,200. So you would think it's all downhill. Sprinkles. Yeah. Oh yeah, we got to go under that tree.
Oh, yep, now the trees.
It's easier when you have a stick, I think.
Yeah. All downhill. Well, we got to get up here to the sign.
We got to get to the fork in the trail.
Yes.
And this should be the last hill, I think.
Deja vu. Here's it is. Here's the fork. Here's where we almost turned around. Yep. Oh, too bad. We'll be back at the car. You get Cinco de Mayo. We'll be having our margarita. Well, we can always do the bear claw another day. Yes, we can. Yeah, because when you go to that other restaurant, I think you have to go out of here and turn left, right? And go back. Where's the town we went through? Was it before all that construction?
The Gringo.
The what?
No,
Is
the
that the one? Which restaurant are you thinking of?
No, the Valdez. Or not the Valdez, but it's that the Cinco de Mayo restaurant we were going to. That little town.
No, that town. That's the town.
Highway.
That's the town. Glenn noticed this tree is hanging on by a thread. Actually, it's propped up into the other tree. Here it is. The hike to Fish Creek, or Fish Lake, took us 6.1 miles. Afterwards, we celebrated Cinco de Mayo at Vaqueros, and that was in Columbia Falls. And here is some fog on the mountain as we left the restaurant and headed back to the campers. Hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you next time.